So here's a way to take your French toast to a new level, because I am going to make this protein-rich, fiber-rich, and super delicious. So what we're going to do is we're going to crust our French toast with this toasted muesli, which adds not only a deliciousness, crunchy coating, but it's boosting your whole grains and all of those goodness from the nuts and seeds and so on. I'm also going to use a whole grain sourdough. That's how we're going to keep the fiber super high. So it's all really good carbs, lots of fiber, and the protein is coming from the bread itself. There's actually quite a lot of protein in bread, and from the eggs, and from the milk that I'm going to add to this. And when we serve it, we'll also have some yogurt in there. So this is actually a super healthy breakfast. I'm just going to whisk together my eggs with my milk. I'm adding a little vanilla essence and some cinnamon. So that's into one bowl. That's going to be more of a traditional kind of soaking for the French toast. Now we're going to take some of our slices here of bread and just pop that in there. Get it soaking. And into the second bowl, we're going to put this toasted muesli. So this is a lovely mixture of whole grains. We've got some Aussie macadamias in there, other nuts and seeds, some lovely cranberries, which are giving you additional kind of antioxidants, a little touch of honey to sweeten, and it's going to give this absolutely delicious coating to our French toast. So let the bread just soak. And this works really well with, the bread that you've kind of had in the bread bin for a couple of days, 2 or 3 days. This is a lovely way to use up that toast. So that bread is just nicely soaking up all that egg mixture. Pop it into your bowl with the toasted muesli. I'm just going to use my fingers here to press the muesli coating into that egg mixture. Yum. And onto the other side. Just making sure you're covering that bread as much as possible. Now into the pan goes a nice generous glug of extra virgin olive oil. The pan's nice and hot, so the oil will heat really quickly. In goes our French toast. In goes the last one. I'm just going to cook those for a couple of minutes on each side till it's nicely golden brown, and meantime I can prepare the toppings. So this is beautifully golden brown. Just going to take that out, pop it onto our plate. I've got some Greek yogurt. I just softened some peanut butter. You could use almond butter, or tahini even would be really good. Into my yogurt, just give it a little bit of a stir. And then we're going to put a nice dollop of the nutty yogurt onto the side. A couple of these gorgeous strawberries. And then really whatever other fruit is in season. I've got some blueberries here and some raspberries that you can just kind of scatter around the plate. So it's just a different take on French toast. It's high in protein, it's high in fiber for a truly magical breakfast.